Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set envelope C4 paper size in Excel. So guys, it's very easy to set this paper size in Excel. So firstly you need to click on here page layout and this size, just click on it. Now find here this envelope C4 paper size. You can find it, so just click on it to set this paper size. If you not find here, so you need to click on here more paper size. Now you see here paper size, so just click on here and you find this paper size and click on it or select it and click on OK. So this way you can very easily set this paper size in Excel. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.